Hey, Bob Wilkes here, Trim-A-Slab, and there's a new kid in town. There's we have our product, Trim-A-Slab, driveway sidewalk expansion joint repair material, flexible PVC, pushes in by hand, lasts for years. Nice heavy cross section, and like I said, flexible PVC, the same type of material that's in gutters and fence post covers and other exterior applications. This is the flexible version of that material. Here's the equivalent product, the Chinese knockoff. It's purportedly made of EPDM, and this is just a very squishy thing. The Trim-A-Slab is going to be only squishy in the extent that it's using these legs to grip. This guy is squishy all over. So you can't really tell from the website, to compare the size of the material. If you're looking at their particular product, you can't tell how it compares, but this is how it stacks up. Now, okay, so it doesn't look as good. It looks a little cheap. How does it perform? I mean, that's really what it comes down to. So we're going to test. We're not just going to give you our opinion. Here's a 2-inch length of Trim-A-Slab and a 2-inch length of the Chinese stuff, and we're going to do a pull test, and we're going to see how well these things hold into concrete, and we'll look at them side by side, and so we'll give you the comparison. Here we go. All right, here we go. We are on peak 0. We're recording peak load, and we're pulling out 2 inches of the latest from China. All right, 10 pounds. That's about 5 pounds an inch. Now, when you're putting this in, this lifts out with one finger, okay? So, I don't know, 10 pounds? How does Trim-A-Slab stack up? All right, now I'll try some Trim-A-Slab. All right, we're trying Trim-A-Slab. I swear I worked out just yesterday. All right, 35.32. So there's a significant difference, and it's not just that measurement. You push this in, and you can't get this out. You need to use a screwdriver to pry this thing out. So holding power vastly superior, and then, well, durability. Let's look at that. All right, color. Trim-A-Slab is the clear, better color match to concrete. This is gray. Trim-A-Slab, we call this gray, but it's concrete gray. There's some brown tones in it. And this is going to take a lot of force. This, I can cave in with a finger. There's no way this is going anywhere. So, I think the choice is clear. Made in USA, Trim-A-Slab. All right, so there's testing data. Your time is valuable. So, if you're going to do this expansion joint repair project, it's an easy one to do. Do it with an American-made product with demonstrated durability and strength that you know you can trust. Trim-A-Slab.com.